Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today is such a beautiful day and I'm on my way to Van Cleef and Arpels to get a bracelet. Some of you guys have previously asked me to show some more of Singapore, so I just wanted to show you the surroundings at the moment. And yeah, just take you to shop with me, and I hope that you like this video. By the way, if you like my content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to VCA, and it's a relatively new brand for me. So far I have only one pair of earrings, which I love. I like really a lot of items. I actually included some of them in my wish list for 2019, and I don't think it's just 2019, I think it's way beyond 2019. But if you haven't watched that video, I will link it down below in the description box so you can check it out. I'm thinking about getting a bracelet today. I wanted to get another bracelet because I feel like my Cartier Love bracelet looks a little bit lonely and I wanted to give it a company. By the way, today I'm going to Orchard to Ion. It's my second favorite shopping center. Okay, I'm at VCA now, and there are so many beautiful eye candies that I love and I want all of them. Let's see how it goes. By the way guys, do you like these earrings? They're quite interesting and the ring is cute too. But I'm really obsessed with Alhambra collection. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I like so many earrings, so many bracelets, rings. I also like this collection, it's quite cute. By the way, do you like white gold or yellow gold? I actually like both, but in the past I used to only go with the white gold, and only past 2 years I opened up to the idea of the yellow gold, and I quite like it now. And I really like this bracelet, it's so beautiful and it looks quite nice with my Cartier Love. The only thing is the SA said that it will be scratching my bracelet, so I have to think about it. Also, I like this ring. It's a little bit too big on me, and I think I would rather go for the white mother of pearl to match my earrings. But this one is a nice choice too. This one is really cute and it has diamonds that are so sparkly. I will have to think about it. It's really cute. I like to combine white gold and the yellow gold. I saw this gorgeous earrings necklace and there's a ring as well. It's so beautiful, but it's way above my price range. Well, a girl can dream, right? I'm gonna try them on as well. They're so stunning. Here we go. That's how they look on me. I really love them. They are so beautiful. I wish I could just buy them. But yeah, I just have to work harder. Of course, such earrings cannot be worn on a daily basis. I actually quite like to wear white gold with diamonds. I think on me it looks so much better. By the way, the first ring is actually my ring. It's not a VCA ring. And the second one is the one I was trying on together with earrings. Look how stunning. So bright and sparkly. I love it. Really gorgeous. I'll just keep dreaming about this ones. Yeah. Anyways, I actually came to try on a bracelet, and yeah, I get distracted by so many beautiful things. I also like this ring. It's quite pretty and unique, but I still prefer the first one. It's the most beautiful ring. It's so me. Yeah, let's just hope one day I'll be able to go and buy it. Anyway, so these are the items I actually came to try on. I really like this bracelet and I love the earrings, but today I can only get one item so I'll see what it's gonna be. You know, I was actually planning to get another Cartier Love bracelet, either in white gold or yellow gold, but I'm thinking that VCA will look a lot better. Do you guys prefer another Love or a VCA bracelet? Actually, I like them both, but I think I will wear my Love bracelet for a while and see if I still like it. I will look at the scratches. I want to be absolutely sure in my decision, so I think I will take my time with another Cartier Love bracelet. Moving on, I also decided to try this ring. It's so beautiful. What do you guys think about it? Do you like it? I like the way the flowers are reflecting the light. It's so beautiful and unique, and it looks great with my Love bracelet, but I'm not sure about this one. I think I would rather go for something smaller for now. I also spotted another ring which is really cute, but I think I prefer it in a bigger size. I will ask my SA if she has another ring without a diamond and in a bigger size. Some more eye candies. I will try them on later, but for now, I really like this ring. It's so beautiful. It's so stunning and unique. VCA might be my new addiction. And this is a ring I was after. I really like it. It's a perfect size. The only thing is the ring is a bit too big on me, but my SA told me that they can actually pre-order for me if I want to buy it. I like this bracelet in a white gold. It's really beautiful, but I prefer it in a yellow gold. This one is nice too. I wish I could get them all and just alternate. And what do you guys think about this one? I think you can shower in this one. It's not gonna get scratched. It's really easy to maintain. I also love these earrings. They are so gorgeous. They are the magic size. It's called magic. There are 3 different sizes: sweet, vintage, and magic. Sweet is the smallest one, vintage is a medium size, and magic is the biggest. I really want to get this eventually. It has been a few days. I bought the bracelet and I'm gonna unbox it with you. And here are 2 receipts. One is for the bracelet and another one is for altering it. VCA gives you 3 months to reduce the size. And this, what is it? Actually, I haven't seen it. I'm opening it with you for the first time. So I think this certificate of authenticity, and I think the care instructions as well. I wonder how the certificate looks like. Okay, so it's just here. There are some details about it. I will not reveal it just in case. And yeah, there is a signature and there's a stamp. Yeah, putting it back, and these are care instructions in different languages, which is very useful. By the way, I like that ring. It's in several languages. It also has a stamp with details again. I won't show it, but yeah. And what else do I have? I was given this, I think it's a fabric to clean the bracelet. It's a gift that comes with it, which is quite useful because I need a fabric to clean it with. And here we go. This is just a box. I have the bracelet in a separate pouch, but I'll show you the box first. I'm really happy with this bracelet. It's so cute. So this is just a box. The bracelet was there, and this is the pouch. I have reduced the size. I reduced it by 3 centimeters, and it's maximum. And this has a spare links, and if someday I want to make it longer, VCA can still do it for me. So this is the bracelet. It's really cute. Although I need the help to put it on, I'll ask my husband to help me when he comes home. And I think I cannot shower with it because it's mother of pearl. It's not recommended to shower in it. But look how nice it would look together. I'm very excited. I really love it. And I like that the mother of pearl is white. It's stunning. That's what I need. By the way, if your bracelet is too big, you can actually twist the links. I feel like the bracelet is still a little bit too long. But yeah, after I twist it, it will become shorter and better. So yeah, I hope you like the bracelet. I really want to get the earrings. I'm so getting them next. And I hope that you like this video. Do let me know if you have any questions, and please feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.